Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. This one divide by this one. So we have e to the power of sin x minus cosine x. Next, this one multiply by this one and secant s tan s. Now we need to focus on this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to e to the power of sin s minus cosine s. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine s plus sin s e to the power of sin s minus cosine s. After we do first the derivative dv, that is about secant of s tan s ds. The integration of this one, that is about secant of s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have du multiplied by v. So that is about the integration secant of s multiplied by this one. So we know that secant of s, that is about 1 over cosine s. So 1 over cosine s multiplied by this one. So we have like this. So this one, that is about number 1. This one, that is about tan s. So we need to focus in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. So this one minus this one, so we have this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.